A massive, ancient tree stump would challenge most machines. Enter the Cat 323 excavator. With a beastly engine packing 162 horsepower, it stands tall like a true king. That stump? In just a few minutes, that stubborn stump is no match for its might. You know what's cooler than a superhero? The John Deere 1470E. It zips through the forest with a growling engine and a super sharp, bendy cutting head that makes tree harvesting look like a walk in the park. Who knew forestry could be this fun, right? An excavator battling an old stubborn tree stump. It's like a showdown between man and nature. The way the machine digs in and stirs up the dirt, just wow. It's fascinating how technology meets nature in such a dramatic way. A stunning deception. I thought it was a massive cedar tree, but when the logger made his move, I discovered it was actually two trees intertwined. He's really something. Took it down in a flash. I've never seen anything like this before. The Dipper Fox 600 is doing something remarkable. It's burrowing into a tree stump like a pro. With a jaw-dropping ability to tackle stumps as wide as 600 millimeters, it slices and drills deep, breaking it down in a flash. Wait, are we talking about a superhero or a machine here? Because that Cat D4 stump grinder sounds like it's straight out of an action movie. With 70 to 100 horsepower, it rips through the ground, uprooting massive trees like they're nothing. Watching it work is pure jaw-dropping power in action. Who wouldn't want to get their hands on that kind of strength?
Obrak. Brawo, Max.
In the midst of the dense canopy, the sound of the logging truck echoes, creating a powerful and impressive sensation. The truck, like a mighty warrior, confidently navigates through the muddy puddles. The driver, with a resolute gaze, seems to be embarking on an endless adventure. I just discovered the Ventrac KC220 stump grinder with a 20 to 25 horsepower engine, capable of easily grinding away any stumps that block its path. At around $30,000, would you like to own this for your logging work?
One thing I did like that Ventrac did is they offered a bar that would come down with your auxiliary hydraulic. Or everything to it.
The old excavator, though it may look outdated, ignites a thrill in the air. Its age may suggest retirement, yet it seems to thrive in the dirt. Its powerful bucket digs into the earth with a ferocity that leaves onlookers in awe.
She's starting to move. And as you can see,
There's something truly delightful about watching the Bandit 1890 wood chipper. It effortlessly devours even the thickest logs in just minutes, turning them into fine wood chips, as if it were savoring a piece of cheese. Whoa, did you see that tree fall? Now the real action kicks off as two mighty machines prepare to uproot the stump. But hang on a second. Things aren't going quite as planned, are they? Looks like they'll need a little more time to get that root out. What do you think will happen next? With the mighty spout saying 1-270 wood splitter, even the toughest tree stumps are mercilessly reduced to splinters under its sheer force. This machine doesn't just split wood, it obliterates the challenge. With a gentle touch, it harvests trees without disturbing the ground. It's a game changer, low cost, highly skilled, and environmentally considerate. The Jarcrack Magna Pro Dual is performing a delicate ballet in the forests of Finland. The debarker Raver machine is an unstoppable force tackling logs up to 1,400 millimeters. This high-capacity marvel speeds up production, slashing processing time, and maximizing efficiency like never before. Wow, here's another exciting option for splitting tree stumps. The way that conical drill pierces the stump, effortlessly separating it into perfect halves, is nothing short of astonishing.